In this video, I'll show you room status indicators. Know every room at a glance. You shouldn't have to open every room to know what's on or off. With room status indicators, each room card shows a quick visual summary. How many switches are on, off, and total. Just one look, and you know if something's still running, like a fan or exhaust. No checking room by room. Just instant awareness every time you open the app. Now I'll show you how to check it. Open the Home Automation app. Go to Devices page. Now, view room cards with status indicators. The white shows the total number of switches. Green shows how many are on. Red shows how many are off. Know every room status without opening a single one. Thank you.